Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 5, Coal and Petroleum. In this chapter we will discuss inexhaustible and exhaustible natural resources, fossil fuels, properties and uses of certain fossil fuels like coal, coke, coal tar, coal gas, petroleum, etc.
Coal. We use various materials for our basic needs. Some of them are found in nature and some have been made by human efforts. They include air, water, soil, and minerals. Since they are obtained from nature, they are called natural resources. In the light of the availability of various resources in nature, natural resources can be broadly classified into two kinds: inexhaustible natural resources and exhaustible natural resources. First one is inexhaustible natural resources. These resources are present in unlimited quantity in nature and are not likely to be exhausted by human activities. Examples are sunlight, air. Second is exhaustible natural resources. The amount of these resources in nature is limited. They can be exhausted by human activities. Examples of these resources are forest, wildlife, minerals, coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. Fossil fuels. Some resources like coal, petroleum, and natural gas were formed from the dead remains of living organisms and are known as fossil fuels. Story of coal. About 300 million years ago, the earth had dense forest in low-lying wetland areas. Due to natural processes like flooding, these forests got buried under the soil. As more soil deposited over them, they were compressed. The temperature also rose as they sank deeper and deeper. Under high pressure and temperature, dead plants got slowly converted into coal. As coal contains mainly carbon, the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. Since it was formed from the remains of vegetation, coal is also called a fossil fuel. Next is the use of coal. Coal is one of the fuels used to cook food. It was used in railway engines to produce steam to run the engine. It is also used in thermal power plants to produce electricity. Coal is also used as a fuel in various industries. When heated in air, coal produces mainly carbon dioxide gas. Coal is processed in industry to get coke, coal tar and coal gas. Next is coke. Coke is a tough, porous and black substance. It is an almost pure form of carbon. Coke is used in the manufacture of steel and in the extraction of many metals. Next is coal tar. Coal tar is a black, thick liquid with an unpleasant smell. It is a mixture of about 200 substances. Products obtained from coal tar are used as a starting material in manufacturing various substances used in everyday life and in industry, like synthetic dyes, drugs, explosives, perfumes, plastics, paints, photographic materials, roofing materials, etc. Interestingly, naphthalene balls used to repel moth and other insects are also obtained from coal tar. Bitumen, a petroleum product, is used in place of coal tar for metalling the roads. Next is coal gas. Coal gas is obtained during the processing of coal to get coke. It is used as a fuel in many industries situated near the coal processing plants.